Does blackhead tape work? Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss the effectiveness of blackhead tape in removing blackheads. Blackhead tape is a popular home remedy that consists of a sticky adhesive tape applied to the skin for a specific period of time. The main idea behind this method is to force the blackheads out through the pores by squeezing the oil glands. Now, let's dive into the realms of whether blackhead tape works or not. The truth is, there is no scientific evidence to support the effectiveness of blackhead tape in removing blackheads. In fact, using blackhead tape might even cause more harm than good to your skin. Why is that? When you apply blackhead tape, it creates a tight and confined area on your skin, which can lead to irritation, inflammation, and even scarring if you're not careful. The sticky adhesive can damage your skin by scratching or lifting the layers of the skin. This, in turn, can lead to infections and create new scars. Moreover, using blackhead tape for an extended period of time might increase the risk of acne scars or other long-term skin issues. That's not to mention the fact that this method is not only ineffective but also time-consuming and not a convenient solution. In conclusion, if you want to effectively remove blackheads, it's better to consult with a professional skincare session or try other more natural and comfortable methods. Remember that your skin deserves the best, and unnecessary stress or irritation can do more harm than good. So, always be gentle with your skin and choose the methods that work best for you.